To connect the power system properly on the Desert Buggy, we need to convert the traditional 8S system, which uses a combination of in-serial 3S or in-serial 4S to get either 6S or 8S battery voltage capacity. We need to separate those out because of a 6-volt limitation. Actually, it's a 5-volt limitation on the power supply for the Pixhawk or the APM. Now, the power cable can handle up to 6 volts according to the specification. So we're going to basically create two separate systems. One will be a 4S to run the ESC, and the other will be a 3S to run the power supply system. Rather than connecting directly to the ESC on the Desert Buggy, which would basically create a situation where anytime someone plugs in an 8S configuration, we'll get the full voltage of that and short out the power supply on the computer side. So we're going to separate the two systems as the easiest and safest way to ensure that that doesn't happen. To make that 8S system, we're going to have to build a little junction wire using an EC5 connector. It's going to be a female connector. We'll go jumper to jumper with a little bit of 10 AWG gauge wire. Once we wire that up, we'll use that as a plug-in, which will jumper the high side of the 4S battery to make sure it can get to the ESC side, which we're going to remove the battery on that and go direct to our power supply using an EC3 connector or an IC3 connector, depending on which one we decide to put on.